In 1893, Chicago faced a pollution crisis in its waterways. The World's Fair was approaching, and the city needed a solution. Enter the electric boat, a marvel of its time. Silent and clean, these boats began to navigate the murky waters, reducing pollution significantly. But how did they work? Powered by batteries, they emitted no smoke or oil, unlike their steam counterparts. This innovation sparked a movement leading to cleaner rivers and inspiring future generations. Could this be the key to our modern pollution woes? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.